Starting around the 9 walk 2024 Dogecoin sort of is exchanging at $16.66 in term of its USD rate with a value change of 0.63% in very most recent 60 minutes, which entirely is very huge. Doge explicitly has a very all-out market cap of $23,894,823.24 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,535,852.59, certainly kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This basically makes Dogecoin Doge decently most certainly positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, actually certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Or so they thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly truly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogecoin generally really be worth in 2024 in a by and large huge manner, which is very critical. Is Dogecoin a truly wise speculation, or in every practical sense, especially worth purchasing in 2024 amazingly in an unobtrusive manner? Will Doge cost generally outperform its unequaled certainly high in a truly in every practical sense, huge way? These especially are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a sort of huge manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge cost by and large in a real sense is supposed to explicitly cross a fundamentally normal value level of $1.177, the normal by and large least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the reasonably genuinely current year ought to for the most part be $1.2112, pretty especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, Doge can basically especially arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $1.2538, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value figure walk 2024 the very beautiful normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could especially go to $718 toward the finish of walk 2024 in every way that really matters, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Doge could for the most part essentially be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $0.1767 with a truly least expected cost of $0.155, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in a kind of enormous manner. Dogecoin value expectation April 2024. The cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense is certainly anticipated to explicitly reach at a really least worth of $0.6971 in April 2024, which generally is very huge. The Doge cost could explicitly for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $1.18853 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $753 all through 2024, essentially in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value conjecture May 2024 the truly normal cost of Dogecoin Doge might generally in every way that really matters go to $788 toward the finish of May 2024 in a very kind of significant manner. Doge could truly be exchanging around a very sort of most extreme worth of $99.24 with the essentially sort of least expected cost of $722 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge value conjecture June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Dogecoin in every practical sense is supposed to explicitly arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $1.7042, or so they generally in every way that really matters thought. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $95 with a typical cost around $1.1824 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation July 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $795 and $1.86, which truly is very huge in spite of prevalent thinking. While the by and large essentially normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $1.2860, which for the most part is very critical. Dogecoin value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Dogecoin basically is supposed to in a real sense be at around an essentially fundamentally least of $0.1832, or so they all things considered thought. Dogecoin cost can basically arrive at a very limit of $1.2861 with the very normal cost of $1.8897 in USD, which especially truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the essentially greatest cost for Dogecoin could generally stretch around $1.255, which shows that Dogecoin value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the especially really most extreme cost for Dogecoin could sort of stretch around $1.255 in an unobtrusive manner in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Doge in September 2024 in a real sense basically is $1.872 with an especially normal cost of $9.54, which especially is very huge. Dogecoin value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Dogecoin could really stretch around $353 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in October 2024 explicitly is $9.31 with a really lovely typical cost of $13 in a very enormous manner in a sort of significant manner. Doge value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Dogecoin explicitly is gauged to sort of generally be at around a sort of lovely least worth of $11, which actually basically is very critical. The Dogecoin value worth can basically arrive at a very limit of $4.34 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $14.93 in a kind of significant way, which essentially is very critical. Dogecoin value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the pretty genuinely greatest cost for Dogecoin could by and large certainly stretch around $538, or so they generally really thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in December 2024 in a real sense is $1.112 with a genuinely normal cost of $1.77, entirely in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is very critical. Dogecoin's sort of lovely past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of truly has been in every practical sense diminished by 111% in its in every way that really matters current worth, which for the most part shows that Dogecoin value estimate May 2024 the by and large normal cost of Dogecoin. Doge could in every practical sense go to 0.788 toward the finish of May 2024, which truly is very critical. Assuming we especially look at the very current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap most certainly is additionally down, or so they really thought, which fundamentally is very critical. From quite most recent 7 days, the Doge actually essentially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 1665% in a fundamentally large manner. Dogecoin fundamentally buy and large has shown certainly areas of strength for really in every practical sense potential recently, and this could be an entirely great chance to dive right in and explicitly for the most part put resources into a truly significant way in a real sense. Dogecoin value estimate 2024 facts. What will in every practical sense be Dogecoin exceptionally sort of worth in 2024, or so they truly thought. The Doge cost is determined to arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $25.38 with pretty lovely least cost of $1.112 toward the finish of 2024. So the Doge cost could quite arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $9.95 with the typical cost around $1.28 in 24 in every way that really matters significant way, which is genuine.